Building a custom bot for Zendesk, but stuck wrestling with conversation routing, double responses, and broken handoffs? The Zendesk Switchboard is the routing layer that controls everything, and this guide walks you through the complete setup step by step. Think of the switchboard as a traffic controller sitting between your customers and your business systems. It routes each conversation to the right destination: your bot, a third-party AI, or your human agents, and only one integration can be active at a time. Before you start, you'll need Zendesk Suite Professional or Higher, starting at $115 per agent per month. You'll also need a Sunshine Conversations API key, a secure HTTPS webhook endpoint, and a hosted server to receive real-time events. Every integration on the switchboard exists in one of three states. Active means your bot is in control and must respond. Pending is a graceful handoff in progress. Standby means your bot is waiting. And crucially, it will not receive customer messages by default. First, log into your Zendesk Admin Center, navigate to Apps and Integrations, then Conversations API, and create an API key. You'll receive three values: a key ID, a secret, and an app ID. Store all three securely. You'll need them in every API call your bot makes. Next, register your bot by posting to the Sunshine Conversations Integrations endpoint. Set the type to custom, give it a name, and point the webhook target at your HTTPS endpoint. Save the integration ID from the response. You'll need it in the next step. Having an integration isn't enough on its own. You need to link it to the switchboard so it can receive control of conversations. The most critical setting is Next Switchboard Integration ID, which tells the switchboard exactly where to route conversations when your bot escalates to a human agent. Subscribe to at least 4 webhook events: Conversation Create, Conversation Message, and the 2 Switchboard Control events. Most importantly, always check the active switchboard integration name before sending any response. If it doesn't match your bot, stay completely silent. When your bot can't resolve an issue, call passControl with switchboard integration set to Next to escalate to agents. The real power is metadata: pass ticket priority, tags, group assignment, and custom field values so agents have full context the moment they take over. Before going live, run a full test checklist. Create a test conversation, trigger the escalation flow, and verify that ticket fields populate correctly in Agent Workspace. Testing thoroughly in a staging environment saves hours of debugging in production. A few patterns will save you significant pain. Route high-value channels like WhatsApp directly to agents. If you're migrating from an old bot, run both side by side and shift traffic gradually. And always pass the first message ID in your passControl call so agents see the complete conversation history, not just the last 10 messages. Building a custom switchboard integration means ongoing dev work, webhook infrastructure, API versioning, error handling, and maintenance as Zendesk updates their platform. Eesel AI handles all of this automatically. No API configuration, no webhook setup, and escalation rules you define in plain English rather than JSON. If you want powerful Zendesk bot orchestration without the API complexity, give Eesel AI a try. It connects in one click, learns from your help center and pass tickets, and handles routing automatically. Start your free 7-day trial at eesel.ai.